Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energy, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Scorpios. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. So you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have 5 of Cups, Knight of Wands and 10 of Cups. So in your circumstances today, Scorpios, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are someone really confident about something. You are moving towards a choice, moving towards a path. It may be a new path in your life, in your work maybe, or in your relationship. Or for some of you, you are changing the place of work or changing your residence. Some kind of change is what is happening today, and you are really passionate about whatever you do in your life, courageous and bold, making bold moves and strong steps towards the choices you are really confident about. So that may be true even in this relationship. Maybe you are confident about something, maybe confident about this person you love, and you want to take the next step forward, move towards marriage or commitment. But maybe for some of you, it may move towards marriage, happiness, a beginning of a sweet time together, some good changes, some dream come true, it may be in your life. But for some of you, maybe when you are proposing to this person, maybe this person may not take it as a good thing, you proposing to them. Maybe they have not made up their mind on this love, or maybe they need more time to think and decide, or maybe they may have some things to achieve before a committed relationship. That may be the reason for few of you this person may not give you an answer, or they may not accept your proposal, and you may feel depressed or sad for this person rejecting you, for what is being lost today, or you're brooding over something of your past, maybe for some of you. Or it may be your person's energy, they have something of their past clouding their mind and they don't want to repeat that again today. Maybe with this committed relationship, they don't want to move towards some irreversible changes in this relationship, and they are trying to avoid it because their past is still hurting them, and they have they have not overcome the past hurt and fears, whatever emotions, toxic emotions they would have felt, and it is still fresh on their mind, and they are unable to make a decision today. Maybe they may not see the present situation, the reality today, because past is clouding their mind, Scorpios. So for your relationship, we have one card, Nine of Pentacles. So if you truly love this person, you can trust them, but things are moving so fast, things are changing so fast in this relationship. Maybe if you feel that their past is still on their mind and you cannot wait, it may be your loss, or it may be, if it is their energy, it may be their loss. But this person is a very trustworthy person, but all you need to give them is more time. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's King of Wands. So circumstances are going in a secure and a positive way in your work, and you are someone truly an inspiration to people who work with you. And today you may have a lot of inspiration overwhelming you, guiding you in a positive way, taking you towards success and prosperity. So that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few minutes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside for those who chose this card. The Sea Maiden. Promises. So in our life, maybe in our circumstances, if we have made some promises, those promises must be kept, otherwise we will be faced with more difficult circumstance, something we cannot handle. So this is the card reminding us to keep our end of the bargain. Maybe if we tell someone that we will do something, we must do it. And if we request help from someone, when that person requests help back, we must be able to help them back. That is what this card is about. And maybe you are quite restless about something. You are searching for an answer, or you are searching for a way to come out of some circumstance. And today you will find the right thing to do, the right answer, what needs to be done. But you must be ready to give up something on your part, sacrifice something on your part to get that answer. And today these circumstances are here to make changes in you. There are some changes happening today, happening in your life. And you must honor your words, whatever you tell. Maybe you make promises to people close to you, people you love. You must make promises only if you are able to keep those promises. And these promises must not be used to get something out of that person. Use something use it as something selfishly. So when you keep your end of the bargain, things are going to work out well. But if you break the promises you made, it's going to land you in difficulty. So that is the energy here. And this card also suggests that your restlessness is going to come to an end. You're going to find an answer. And whatever is your destiny, though you will be making a lot of efforts, you may go through a lot of pain, but whatever you need to go through, you will come out of it successfully. That is what this card is about. Maybe the path may be quite difficult, but you are definitely going to come out of your you will survive your destiny. That is what this card is about. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, it says milk and honey. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship, if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to find someone good, find someone a person who is going to open up a very passionate romantic time with you, and you are going to have a great time with this person. Beautiful understanding, love and compatibility. Or maybe if you are already in a connection, this card suggests that there is a greater intimacy, harmony and a beautiful understanding flowering in this connection. And you will feel really grateful to be in this love, to be with this person. And this card stands for gratitude, that happiness and satisfaction. The same way in your career, whatever choices you make, whatever choices you are making today, it is going to lead you towards greater success, abundance, and you are going to embrace your destiny, and whatever opportunities you are going towards, all that opportunities are going to give you a sweet taste of the success you are going to experience in your life today. So that is what this card is about. This card is about happiness, prosperity, abundance and opportunities, and trust in your circumstances, trusting in your destiny, that all your needs will be met. So that is the energy here, that is the reading with these cards. Thank you guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.